What's up, Bitcoin boys and Bitcoin girls, hodlers, speculators, even haters? Welcome to another edition of Adventures in Bitcoin. Just want to do a quick update. Not much has changed as far as what I'm seeing. In the last video I talked about Bitcoin is in this like hyper squeeze right now. We're seeing higher lows, which is this orange line here, which kind of cut off the trajectory of this falling wedge. So I'm predicting I don't see this going past October 15th before we see a significant breakout in Bitcoin. I expected to see this break through this resistance here a little bit, sort of faking people out, because as we know, Bitcoin is heavily manipulated. But as this squeeze gets smaller and smaller, there's less profit to be made by doing that. So we might see that less and less, at least for the short term. But as long as we stay above this orange line, we're looking pretty good. And I'm anticipating a pretty significant breakout in the next either couple of days or the next 2-3 weeks. Ethereum is pretty flat. It started to come back a little bit, but I don't know. It's got to get on the ball here. Vitalik was talking about they increased their transaction speed, but I don't think it's going to be enough to get back the momentum that they lost. And you got these other Ethereum killers creeping up on them. So, but you never know. Ethereum is the number 2 crypto, so it has a lot of adoption. It has a lot of applications already being developed on it. So it could come back. You never know. One more thing with Bitcoin I'm seeing is that the RSI, the lows are getting higher too. So if I draw a little line here, you can see the lows are getting higher, showing that the relative strength of Bitcoin is increasing. Ripple had a nice run due to the pump and the excitement surrounding XRapid being released. What has me scared is that some of you Ripple bag holders, are a little too bullish on Ripple. There's a lot of people that have sold all their altcoins and going all in on Ripple, anticipation of being the next, millionaire, billionaire cryptocurrency investor. Now that would be great if it happened. Don't get me wrong, I would love that. That's not very sound financial practice. If I was going to go all in on one crypto, it would have to be Bitcoin, either Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash if that's your thing. I myself prefer the OG, only because Bitcoin is the only crypto that really has any true value. It's the most liquid, so I don't see it going anywhere anytime soon. Then I'm hearing stories of other people saying that they don't even invest in a 401k or retirement account, and they're like all in on crypto as a retirement. And I don't know, guys, I'm pro crypto too, and some of you guys have families. That's just not good financial practice. And some of y'all need to come on over and check out my personal finance videos. Shameless plug, I know. But it's real important to come from a place of financial strength if you're going to invest in something as speculative as Bitcoin. So you want to make sure your finances are in order. And I advocate, looking in your budget to find money to reduce your expenses so that you can invest in Bitcoin. You got to make sure you're investing in 401ks, retirement accounts. You have a decent savings so that you're protected in case you lose your primary source of income. And I advocate using your budget that you have for your entertainment, using that money to invest in Bitcoin and crypto, and do that over time, dollar cost averaging. This way it doesn't matter if it goes up, it goes down. These are just tried and true, long tested financial practices that are advocated by a lot of the leading experts. So but if you want to take your life savings and invest it in crypto, I'm not going to tell you not to do that. Don't do that. So that is it. If you don't mind, check out some of the videos. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you like, what you dislike. Leave comments. Leave a like, because a lot of hard work went into it. And then make sure that people that need to see this information get to see the information. So I'd really appreciate that. Looking at CoinMarketCap, Steam is looking really good. Steam's over $1. Anytime you can get Steam under $1 is a good deal. A few days ago, we had a nice sea of green of the altcoins, a little altcoin rally, which was much appreciated. They're mostly red today, with the exception of a few of these guys here. I like to see a lot of these OG cryptos getting some love here. We got Bitcoin, 0x, Zcash, Redcoin. Nice little uptick in the price. Here's some of the losers of the day. Monacoin, Moac, Dragon Chain, Dentacoin. But overall, not too bad. So that is it for today. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. My prediction, by October 15th, we'll see a significant increase. Ethereum, you may want to take a stab here now that it's down, now that it's been beaten up, with the speculation that it may come back eventually. Ripple, I'm not liking it right here. I would wait for a pullback before looking at investing again, because you missed this pump. And Ripple's been known to fake us out in the past. So, I mean, just look at this wick here. I know we got to separate XRP from Ripple, but I just got used to them being the same thing. So sometimes I use the names interchangeably. So that is it. Hopefully you're staying profitable, my friends. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.